Hello and welcome to the Atlantic DeFi podcast. Today is Monday, December 1st. The time is 9:34 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time, and it's a bloodbath. If you listen to this or you've seen my videos, you would know that 2 weeks ago, I said that the worst is yet to come. And yes, the worst is still here, and there's more. Bitcoin is sitting at $86,000, 86,734 to be exact. Fear and greed index is 16, extreme fear. Ethereum is at 2,800, BNB 829, Solana 127, XRP $2. XRP actually has been able to do quite well. If you are an XRP holder, you haven't lost much. So that is a good indicator there. Everything else, it is bad. And again, if you look at my previous videos, I told you that the worst is yet to come. Why? The reason why the worst is yet to come is because macroeconomics are uncertain. People don't know, especially in the United States, where a lot of the economy moves. People don't know what is happening with the economy. They don't know if it's going to get better, if it's going to get worse. It's turning for the worse. And that's why people are selling and going to cash and going to safe assets. Bitcoin is not there. It's not considered that. So if you are a person that has millions of dollars, because again, as I said before, your little money doesn't affect this. This is not affecting you. If you sold $1,000 for Bitcoin, this did not affect the price. But if you have millions of dollars and you don't know what's going to happen and you have a volatile asset, you're going to get rid of that first. You get rid of that first, turn it into cash, something more stable. So that is what is exactly happening. And I'm not the only one saying this. This article from DeFi Llama from DL News says the same thing. It says that the Bitcoin drops below 86,000, but price will crash even lower, analysts warn. Now, don't believe this. Don't believe me. You know, don't believe any random people. Don't know. That's the reality. It nobody knows. People are going to safer assets, but in my opinion, I think it will go down. Why? Because again, we are in the cusp of a recession. By next year, we might get into a recession because of all the macroeconomics, everything that's happening in the world. And again, if you are somebody that has, if you're a pension fund, if you are a millionaire or a billionaire, or somebody that has managing other people's money that's not yours, you're not going to invest on Bitcoin. You're not going to do that. You're going to go to a safer asset because if it crashes down and everything else is crashing down, you are screwed. So nobody's going to do that. So that's pretty much what's happening here. And again, will we see higher Bitcoin prices? I think Bitcoin is going to go over $150,000. Yes, it will. I think it's going to go $200,000. Yes, it will. When? We don't know. That's the reality. Could be in 5 years, could be in 1 year, could be in 2 years, could be in 4 months. Nobody knows. Because the economic landscape is not there yet. What do I advise you? And again, this is just a guy on YouTube or LinkedIn, wherever you see this. Please subscribe. What you should do. If you are investing money that you're not supposed to lose, stop. Stop. Do not invest money you cannot lose. That's the first thing I want to tell you. Second thing, there is a lot of money going on stable coins. There is quite a bit of good interest rates going out there. 5, 6, 7, 8, even 9 to 10. Anything above 10 might be a bit risky. So do not go and do your own research. I'm not going to tell you here what you're supposed to invest or not. This is not investment advice, but there's a lot of good stable coin that you can get nice yield. And if you want to go to a safer asset, do that. That I think that is the best advice that I would give you. If you are, if you are going in the long term, just keep investing, keep putting some money aside or things like that, but don't leverage, don't do stuff you can't do. And that will be my best analysis to tell you what to do with the current market. Now, staking is also another thing that you can do. You can stake. You can do some yield farming, although I do only apply that to stable coins. If you don't know what that is, we had that on Atlantic DeFi. We switched newsletters, so subscribe to our new newsletter on Beehive. The link is in the bio, and you could definitely check some things that we're going to put about yield farming, stable coins, and things like that for this current market. So, yeah, subscribe to our newsletter, subscribe to our channel, and peace out.